including financial support for medical services, care and equipment. Find out how we support Aotearoa at acc.co.nz/tamariki.
Ngāti Hine FM. Hele atu ana I te awa o Hōteo.
Maunga reke o parihaka maunga ki te awa o Hātea puta atu ki te ao whāngara I te terega prawa atu ki te ao Ngāti Hine FM
Ara e mara. You're here with the crew, myself, Luke Brett and Marcia. We are on. Let's go.
Ai, nau mai ki te ao pai.
Oh, yes. Morena Tiwi.
Morena Luke.
Morena Marcia.
Morena, Marcia.
Morena Phoenix.
Morena, Luke.
Morena Phoenix.
Morena, me.
Get out, Jimbo. Get out, big boy.
Okay, line up. Here we go.
Hit it.
Push to the back and flip it on. To the slow come up and jump it down low. Over the head and cowboy.
Cowboy.
Just up and down cowboy.
Up and down cowboy.
Oh,
Kia ora.
good day, everybody. How are you all feeling today out there?
I'm feeling ready for Christmas.
Crickets.
Yeah, ready for Christmas. It's only next week.
Oh,
Yes.
doesn't feel like it, does it? Like
Yes. Are you like ready Tonga wise?
No.
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 That's okay too because it's not about Tonga, it's about presents rather than presentation.
Oh, presents.
I like that too, but everyone
Nah, I'm not.
No, everyone in our whānau says we're not doing presents this year, and I'm like, cool. And
It's your fun,
No,
Dave.
exactly.
Take it back.
Yeah.
Take it
and I
back.
stick to that kaupapa, and then they're like, oh, so I got you a present, like, and then you feel like you got to buy everyone a present. So yeah, you
Yeah.
know them very well.
Yes.
I'm
you need to buy the presents now.
I'm a big fan of spending money.
Yeah.
I love it.
For yourself.
Nah, for
Just shop it like
just like it.
and you like it like now.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Like,
if
yeah.
you can buy it in the shop now,
Yeah.
boom, do it now.
I love it. Like if I have money and I can spend it on people, I'm going hard.
Oh, you're good.
I love that, but I am the worst at like making a decision. But I want those yes. Wait,
Do I need
wait.
it? Do I really need the shoes?
No,
or-
it's not. It's never a do I need it. It's just like, wait, I need it. There should be some barriers somewhere. Some red lights anywhere, no? Okay, maybe I'll come back tomorrow.
I do that. Then I just go, just stuff it.
Nah.
Buy it.
Jen's like that. She's like, oh, you'll find it cheaper over here, and
Yeah,
go
that's
through
me
those
too.
shop, it'll be over there. And I'm like, bro. And then you know what happens every time?
You miss
We
out.
do this triangle thing here, and then we go, oh, nah, it's not even there.
Yeah,
Same bloody shop.
Yeah.
that's me and
Vibe.
Jen. I'm the same.
I buy it
Like, you
immediately.
find it cheaper, don't even.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, just buy
I
it.
found it. It's here.
Yes,
I'm
alright.
finished. Yeah.
And then
So
you
we're
go,
not ready presents wise. You're
Yeah,
you're
no.
just gonna go one
One
big
big bang.
yeah.
I'm waiting for a
One
bit of
shop.
waiting for a bit of a pay to come in from
So my garangi.
yes from the rangi. Come on, pay. Where are you at? And then I'll go just hit it all at once. Just
Oh, that's
write
a
lists.
bit
All
nice.
my nieces and nephews go hard, spend it all.
Let's go.
spend it
So
all.
you like a extended whānau or a immediate whānau?
Immediate.
Yeah.
And like my immediate nieces and nephews, like Jen's nieces and nephews. That's about it, and that's like 30 kids.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
So I like so I just do like, all right, there's this family,
Bucket of M&Ms.
they've got 5 kids. So I'm like, well, last year I bought them those like 5-in-1. Oh, now it's like a 12-in-1 like gaming table thing. Because I knew they all could
Yeah.
play. It's got like air hockey and then like
Yes.
pool, and you can just keep interchanging the stuff. Because
Yes.
there's like
Cool.
5 in each family. So I was like, all right, get them one too. So I just bought 2 of those, and that
Yeah.
was like 12 kids sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, like
like
in
that.
ours, Jamie's got all the kids. So I sometimes buy them individual stuff, and then other times I think I've run out of board games to buy them. Just like a whānau.
Yeah.
Let's sit around
They're
the
like,
table.
Thanks, Auntie. We're like 21.
I'm sure they used to. I'm like, hey, there's one of me and like 100 of you. Okay?
Yeah. Beach stuff's always a good one for like kids, like beach toys and stuff they can play, because like all summer they're at the beach, so like skim boards and all of that kind of
Yeah.
stuff.
One of our family members always buy us, with us for like 10 years, a beach towel every Christmas.
Oh.
And
I
I'm like,
like beach
oh,
towels.
I do too for the first 2 years.
For the first 2 years.
But we get one every year. And it's
What
like,
about, has
they're
it
not gonna
upgraded?
change. No, they're not. They don't change. It's
Like to a
oh,
wearing one?
Nah.
Because those are cool.
It's like now it's a theme now. It's like
Yeah.
oh, you got the beach
Who's
towel.
got the beach towels?
I don't know whose in-laws need to hear this, but
Here we go. That's all.
Yours.
I don't know whose in-laws need to hear this. Whoever's listening, if you're someone's in-law, no, your son-in-law doesn't want socks and or a Lynx pack.
Yeah, no, that's the worst thing. And Lynx
Yeah,
Packs tells me you didn't even go deep in the warehouse. You just went to the
front.
checkout.
Yeah, where they have that big wooden box with like
Yeah.
Link spec just just tells me you don't care.
Yeah. It tells me you went to go get new furniture for your outdoor living and picked up a Lynx Pack on the way.
it tells me that you went in that big wooden box that says gifts for men. Right at the start of the
you've
entrance
been
of the
there?
warehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All it says to me is they forgot.
Kia ora.
Oh shit, we're going over to Phoenix's. Oh, let's
Lucky
get
I
a
just
Lynx
went
pack.
shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, now I find that there's a moko say. Sorry about it, everybody else.
Yeah, that's right.
Got a
gonna
comment
say-
here from Auntie Paulie saying Marcia buys good presents
Yes.
and Te Tuhi is creative with his presents too.
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
So he's
that's
like a one where you get it and you're like, oh, you're so nice.
That's not. He's always been like
Mm.
that though. He's very creative and very
That's cool.
genuine.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But
That's
presents are not as long as the food's there.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
our
funny
thing.
'cause Jen's big on making, like making
Ah,
presents,
yes.
that kind of stuff. She's
Okay.
she's real big on that stuff, and I'm the total opposite. I'm like, oh, don't make me a card. I want spend the money, spend
Yeah,
the
I'm
money.
like, Jen's big on making stuff and you're sitting there.
Yeah.
Don't you make me stuff.
Yeah,
mate.
exactly.
Make me money.
Because there's that it's the whole love language thing. Jen's is like acts of service.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, acts of service. What do you know? What yours is?
No.
Do you know what
No.
they are? The love languages?
No.
Oh, we should look
Come
into
on,
them.
search
Yeah, we'll
that.
bring them up. So it's
Yeah.
like touch, words of affirmation,
Oh.
acts of service. There's a few more. I'll
That's
bring them
cool,
up later. We'll
yes.
talk about them
Yeah,
later. We'll talk about them
yes.
later. We'll see what your love language
Love
is.
Yeah.
language.
I
But if you guys want to buy us a present, we're totally open to that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Totally.
I mean, it's hard to
Preferably
get
not
up.
made. Nah.
It's hard to get up every morning to entertain you guys.
It actually is.
So hard.
So
I
hard.
know. We lie and digress, it's iwi.
Oh,
Let's go check out who's online. Murihu Muri Wat. Muri Fuenua.
Mood fuego.
Morena I te prata. Morena hoki kia koe. E te whae.
Marcia.
Should we go to the weather?
We
Let's
should.
look at the weather. Oh, it's
Yes.
quite hot today.
Ooh, girl.
Girl, so the weather person was quite correct yesterday. It was
Weather
quite the
outside is
windy
weather.
and wet day, but it was
It was
great 'cause
raining
it was quite
all
cool.
day.
Mm.
It's currently 18.9 degrees. It should feel like 20 degrees, but it's a high of fun. Te whakaore, pai, koe, koe, ngā kūtai.
Okay, more melody every time.
It's a high of 27 degrees, which is more likely to be 29. That's
Ooh.
very hot. That's hot.
It looks like it's a goal for my washing because yesterday
Yes.
it was
and
not.
I've got some drying time today too.
Oh,
And also in Tamakima COVID. Hey, welcome to freedom in the Northland, Tamakima COVID.
Yes.
Also,
you made it. You
you've
guys
made
did
it.
the
That's
real.
right.
Mate.
It's 26
Can you not
degrees
come
down
here,
there
though?
today. Yeah. And it's 93% humidity, which means it is what? It is moist.
Moist.
And also, if you're washing your washing today and you want to put it out for everyone to look at, it's 2 hours of excellent drying time.
Excellent drying time. That's what
right.
we're talking about.
Fine spells, possible shower, northwesterlies. Boom, shakalaka, bahoom.
Kia ora. Ki ngā tai o whangarei, low tide will be at 12 o'clock or 10 to 12 this afternoon and high tide at 6:15 this evening.
Lovely.
Yes, and speaking of tides,
Oh, that's right. It's all about you.
ka mātai atu tātou ki te māramataka.
And cue sexy voice button now.
Kia ora. Phew, you're too much, all right, boy.
Okay. And cue
Oh, heck.
backing
Oh,
vocals.
well.
Falling over
Too
camera.
much.
Too much, all right, boy.
Here I am.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Tēnā tātou katoa.
Yeah.
I te pō kua hipa tata nei I haere I waho I taku whare. I pātai atu ki te mārama, tēnā koe e hina. He ha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. E mea mai ki au, a ko māwharu. Māwharu te wahanga o tēnei mārama. He rā pai ki te whakatōkai. He nui ngā kumara engari kia tupato kei pīrau. Engari kia tupato kei pīrau ngā kumara. He rā pai ki te hiika no hoki, no reira, me haere ki te hiika tātou.
Wairu ao, tara hae.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay, I missed the whole Maramasaka. Just quickly.
Māwharu.
Maparu, that's a good
Maparu.
day for planting. I know
Maparu.
that.
Yeah, good day for
Hale
planting. Engari kia tupato, kei pīrau ngā kumara.
Oh, how do we get tupato?
I don't know.
Off the kumara.
Just when you cut it open, be like, damn, they need that.
Oh,
Damn it.
you didn't get tupato.
Look, Sarah Casey, just in time for my fave wahanga.
Oh, kia ora, Sarah.
Mōrena e te tokotoru
Morena.
tapu. I always find that so hard to say. Tokotoru tapu. Tokotoru tapu. Tokotoru tapu.
Tokotori tapu. Sound like Cook Island. Tokotori tapu.
Tapu.
Hey, speaking of the Cook Islands, they've had a slight little adjustment to their COVID rules.
Is it open now? No,
No.
it's January.
Yes, but they've already making flights for July change.
July.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
'Cause I've booked a flight. for July.
Oh, they changed it.
Oh, they're changing due to COVID
Ah.
timings, but it means actually you get extra time there from according to the one we've done. Anyway, yeah, just be careful of that, everybody. If you're booking in July,
Mm.
they're already making changes.
Kia ora.
Sweet.
All right, Tiwi, very shortly we're going to get into our first game of the Ata Eare Maraina Riz. Also, again, our kaupapa is 12 Days of Christmas! And this is day 3, Tiwi. We've got more prizes to give
Yes.
away.
Yes, we gave some prizes away yesterday. Some Taiao merchandise. We gave that away to Alicia Halliday, who sent
Yes.
us a photo and actually of her blow up reindeer Christmas decoration wearing
so
it.
cute.
And I said to her, "Oh, you know, because if it's too big for you, you can give it as a
Exchange
present."
it.
She's like, "No.
No.
The bigger the better. It's my new fishing top."
Let's
So,
go.
Oh, that's
Mihati-
awesome.
Mihati ki aia.
All right, and Viana Rahui, if
Yes.
you're out there, you are a winner from day 1.
Yes, and you won the prize package from Soil and Sand Clothing.
Yes, so we've got heaps of prizes still left to go. We've got a Hatia pack, Birdman pack,
Yes.
Key voucher,
Yes.
Pack and Save voucher,
Yes. Hello,
Ngā-
Pickle voucher.
Hello,
Ma'awe
Pickle.
Rua,
Core Central Core Pilates voucher.
Common Grounds Fitness voucher.
Ah,
yes,
and most
amazing.
importantly,
Mo Designs wrapping paper.
yeah, that's important too.
ah.
But most importantly, dinner with the crew.
Let's
Yes,
go.
courtesy of
Proudly,
Fat Boy Barbecue.
yes, proudly catered to you by Fat Boy Barbecue. So
Yes.
that's a prize for you and for other
Hopefully,
family members.
hopefully not a vegetarian, because
Yeah.
otherwise you'll be having a big bowl of dust.
I will get you a bowl of ice. No reira whānau ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have The Girl Is Mine from Michael Jackson. Straight after that,
Hey,
we're going to play
I don't wanna
Ea
fight
Ea
about
Mara. What's that?
I don't want to fight.
I don't want to fight about it. No reira, kia ui tonu mai whānau. Ati Hine FM.
Woo! I told you,
Tell us
mate.
about it, Michael.
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
Every night she walks right in my dreams since I met her from the start. I'm so proud I am the only one who is special in her heart. The girl is mine. The doggone girl is mine. I know she's mine. The doggone girl is mine. I don't understand the way you think, saying that she's yours, not mine. Sending roses and your silly dreams, really just a waste of time, because she's mine. The doggone doggone girl is mine. Don't waste your time, because the doggone girl is mine. I love you more than he. Take you anywhere, but I love you endlessly. Nothing we will share. So come and go with me to one town. But we both cannot remember, so it's one or the other. And one day you'll discover that she's my girl. Don't fill your hopes to be let down, 'cause I really feel it's time. You know she tell you I'm the one for her, 'cause she said I blow her mind. The girl is mine. The doggone girl is mine. Don't waste your time, because the doggone girl is mine. She's mine. She's mine. No, 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 she's mine. The girl is mine. The girl is mine. The girl is mine. The girl is mine. Mine, mine. Yep, she's mine. Mine, mine. The girl is mine. Mine, mine. Yep, she's mine. Mine, mine. Don't waste your time, because the doggone girl is mine. Girl is mine.
Michael, we're not going to fight about this, okay?
Oh, I think I told you. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I've heard it all before, Michael. She told me that I'm her forever lover, you know, don't you remember?
Well, after loving me, she said she couldn't love another.
Is that what she said?
Yes, she said it. You keep dreaming. I don't believe it. I know the girl is mine. I know mine. You're mine. She's mine, 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 mine. The girl is mine.
Raumatī, hala mai. Safety tips.
Mainga, whāmere hararei safety mea nei. I ahu mai ngā hararei nō hea, mō te aha. Anyways, whether you are on holiday or holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the mo, especially up here in Te Taitokero. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mohi ana koutou what's good and what's not. So don't be that guy or gal. Nera, be safe in your driveway. Check all around your waka before you move your vehicle, and check to see if any tamariki are near your wheels. Our kids often go outside and play with stones or are looking at things in a world of their own, and you might not see them straight away. So call out to see if there are any tamariki near your waka before you drive. Be te mene o te wau mene, and watch out for our tamariki when you are in your driveway. Whāmere hararei safety mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Te kai mai iwa i da ono ki whangarei nei iwa te kai mai iwa i da tahi tuatu ihi kurangi more nei sewi. E are mara.
Morena e te iwi, you're here with the crew, myself, Luke Bird, and Marcia Hupa. Hala, mai te whiti karaka tainoa ki te iwa karaka.
Ara.
Her brother.
Oh,
After, anyway, patai tātai ki tēnei wahanga e kia nei ko.
E ara e mara!
Hey, hey.
Ara e mara, it's a chance to wake up that order. You know what it is. So this morning, Luke decided, hey, can we do the jokes?
Can we do the
Because he's got
dad
all the jokes. So you better be bringing some heat this morning.
Thought this was
No. You said you had all of them.
I said it reminded me of Phoenix in the car, because Phoenix was quite funny.
I love dad jokes,
And you're a
except
dad.
I've shared heaps of mine twos already.
Okay.
I have to find some more.
So ko ngā ture is kia pānui o dad jokes e gari kia kaua e kata kata.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Are we going to go one each? Or just
Yeah,
keep going
one
around?
each. One
Okay.
each. Yeah.
You go first, girl.
Mau e tāti.
you go.
No tēnei tūkai, papa. Hana mai.
All right. All right, here we go. Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Here we go, everybody. I'm.
Not allowed to laugh. Do
Okay.
not laugh. Do not laugh.
What's brown and sticky?
What?
A stick.
I love he's laughing at his own jokes.
I'm laughing at your
Like a true
face.
dad.
You have to laugh at your own joke.
That was
a-
actually not my joke. That,
that
was
was,
just trying to be stupid.
That was I've heard that one before, so it was alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Punchline. Here we go.
Right.
Have you not heard that one? Just out of curiosity.
I don't hear them because I don't. I don't
I love
hear
their
them.
jokes. Do you?
Do you sit around the table as dads and go, "Hey, I've got my dad joke"?
Nah, but
We
if you,
wouldn't know.
if you,
Because I don't know.
That's it.
Dark.
We wouldn't know.
Yeah, we wouldn't know. Yeah.
No, but if you pride yourself in dad jokes, it's definitely like puns, all of that
Yeah.
stuff. It's a winner. I got one. Okay. Did you know the inventor of the umbrella was just going to be called? He was just going to call it Brella. So the inventor was just going to call it Brella, but he hesitated.
Right, I understand. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
I don't get it. Say it again.
Oh, I got your one.
You don't get it. He was like, umbrella.
Oh, I didn't hear you say the first like long.
Oh, I didn't.
no.
I didn't.
No,
say
he
that.
didn't. Like, yeah.
Umbrella. Well,
He hesitated.
it's about how you deliver it.
And then
He
I
hesitated.
said, I
didn't hear you
know
once. Sorry, what was your
25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
That was good.
Nah, there wasn't.
I got it
Stop
now.
lying.
Okay.
It's a bad round. Round
What?
two.
That was good. I just didn't hear the tone.
That
the
was
delivery.
good. I
It's the
just didn't get
delivery.
it.
It's the
Just
delivery.
hurry up, man.
Okay. What do you call?
Just sticking.
What do
It
you
was
call a
sticky.
naughty lamb dressed up like a skeleton for Halloween?
A naughty lamb dressed up like a skeleton. I'm already gonna laugh.
On Halloween. It's you're gonna do some sort of sound. What?
Bad to the bone.
That was good. I like that one.
Yeah.
I
Nice.
thought that was good.
That's good.
Oh,
that was good.
quite good. That was good. Yeah.
That's funny. How do you make a baby astronaut stop crying?
Oh.
Oh, how? A baby astronaut.
Yeah, a baby astronaut, not an adult
How
astronaut.
do
A
you
baby
stop
astronaut.
a baby astronaut from crying?
Yeah.
No, he's gonna laugh for it.
I don't know.
Okay.
You rocket.
That's good.
That
That
was
was good.
Oh, I'm terrible at not laughing.
It was great.
What does a house wear to a birthday party?
A house wears to the birthday. A house.
What does a house wear
Curtains.
to a birthday
What's
party?
funny about a house wearing something to the birthday? I don't know.
A dress.
Ah, yes. I see.
That was very good. Okay. What did Tennessee see?
Tennessee.
What did Tennessee, the state of Tennessee, see?
Whiskey.
The same thing as the state of Arkansas.
I don't get it, and I'm laughing.
Oh, I gotcha.
Arkansas, Tennessee. same
Yeah,
thing.
what did Tennessee see? The same thing that Arkansas.
Still don't.
I get it. I get
Arkansas
it.
is the state.
Ah.
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Anyway.
Ah.
Oh, that was.
I get. Yep. Oh,
Morena, Natalie Jade. Morena generator.
Oh, this
what's
is-
one that you haven't?
Have you got any dad jokes out there?
Yeah. If you've got a dad jokes in the comment section, let us know because I love a good dad joke and I need some more.
Have you got one?
Yep.
Hit us.
Oh, hang on. You've heard that one.
Oh. Okay.
What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet?
Oh, I know this one.
Yeah, you would.
Surprise! Surprise!
What is that? Oh, surprise! Surprise!
I thought Marcia's one was funny.
It's because I
Jumps out again. I'm Luke.
Yeah, that's quite good.
What do you call about made of watches?
What? Sorry,
About made of watches.
a belt made of watches. No. Oh,
You just can't get this.
A
Wrist-
belt
no.
made of watches.
wristwatch. Then it'll be a
It'll be
waist watch. Waist watches. Weight watches.
No.
Oh, that's good. though.
That was good.
Good.
It's a waste of time.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Waste of time. There's one in here from Natalie Jade. Are we? Yeah, we're doing lame jokes all day. What do you call Bob the Builder after he retires?
Oh.
Bob
It's
the
just left us
Builder.
hanging.
Yeah, suspense. I'll jump in there.
Actually, Pauline's got one too. Did you read that one?
Oh, singing in the shower is fun until you get the soap in your mouth. Then it's soap opera. Yes, that's good.
Bob.
Oh, Bob, I get ya.
Oh, what do you call Bob the Builder after he retires?
Just Bob.
Wouldn't we call him Bob the Retired?
Retired.
Bob, no job.
Okay.
Bobless.
What do some couples go? Why do couples go to the gym?
What's that? Sorry.
Oh,
Why
I
do
know
couples
this.
go to the gym?
Why do couples
Yeah.
go to the gym?
Why?
Because they want their relationship to work out.
Oh, sad. Sad.
Stupid.
Is that why we go CrossFit, Jen? Why do seagulls fly over the ocean?
Oh,
Seagulls.
Fly over the
I don't
ocean.
know why.
Why do seagulls fly over the ocean? Because if they flew over the bay, we'd call them bay gulls.
Bagels, I love it.
Kia ora.
Bay gulls.
Speaking about soap, I used to be addicted to soap, but now I'm clean.
We're failing at the Don't Laugh part.
We got in the comments. Oh, no, this not.
Oh,
Stop.
statue, bro.
Statue. Who's Statue Pro?
Luke loves it. Jump
I
up.
do love it. Did you hear about the little boy, about the kidnapping at school? Little boy that got kidnapped at school.
No.
No.
That's okay. He woke up.
No, kia ora.
Kidnapped at school.
Okay, this is getting lame now.
Yeah, let's go. One more round.
Yeah, here we go. My dog's a genius. I asked him what 2 minus 2 was, and he said nothing.
Kia ora.
Oh my god.
Because he can't talk.
Oh my god, get it?
He's a genius.
What do you call it when a group of apes start a company?
A group of
Ooh.
apes. Mighty ape. No.
Oh, that was a good one,
thank you,
eh?
thank you, mate.
Yeah,
What is a group of apes? I don't know. A group of
Apex Roofing.
Oh,
that
very
was
good. Monkey business.
Oh,
damn.
my God.
Your guys' answers were better.
Well, here's my last one. My boss told me to have a good day, so I went home.
Wait, one more. We'll finish on this one from Auntie Pauline. A cat walks up to a statue and says, "Hear me, the statue, bro." And the statue replies, "Nah, it's meow, rangi."
Sorry, Auntie Funny, for all those jokes. I swear that we do this like it's like cringe like this every time.
Yeah.
But we
It's kind of
still
the
did
point.
it.
It's kind of the point.
Oh, that's great. Play a song.
Yeah, play a song. So after the song, Friday, we're going to, well, what are we doing? Topical news. Still to come, we have a Mauna Koe topical news.
Yes.
Te kupu, and also, obviously, we're drawing our prize winner for today later on in the show. So, kia ora tonu mai whānau, because it
And-
might be you.
Yes, and I've
Oh.
written a song about tortillas or tortillas.
Yes, and also,
Nah, it's more of a rap.
That was good. That was
I'm
good.
gonna-
and also, we are talking later to Raniera McGrath, aka Moko Cody, about the kaupapa he's a part of Anga Whakamua, which is talking with our kuia kamato. So he'll talk a little bit more about that. But until then, kia ui tonu mai whānau, because there's heaps coming up.
Aye.
We have now the sun, Damn Native and Shay Fu.
Oh, let's
See
go.
FM.
The sun will always shine, chase my clouds away. No matter what it's like outside, children will always play.
I keep my head up and walk the streets till dawn. Engage in conversation to see what is going on. A constant struggle. Reciprocate hits to press frustration. Relieve my head with 2 jobs to pay the rent. I try for the death of me to maintain. In constant turmoil, white people dose the pain. Fatal damage done to mid headstones. Television, the demon instigating clones. No shoulder to lean on, so I trust nobody. Wipe my nose on my sleeve because you're snotty. Hit the courts to get my sweat after some peak. Numbers fluctuate amidst the afternoon heat.
The sun will always shine, chase my clouds away. No matter what it's like outside, children will always play. Keep the final close, evil plays no fair. Link them with the past, sanctuary is there.
We try and stay on course and sometimes freak the gamble. Professional style like Michael Campbell. Spawned from the seed that combats greed. More millions for the final in real need. We could have had it, but they take the land, so read the ballot. Strategy so the suckers won't challenge. We're in it, struggle won't diminish. Free up the land, so understand it till then it won't finish. Pure hip-hop rap for the people perhaps. It's all Ukuai, so settle down and step back. Who'd have known? We know exactly where we're going. So cope up with driven rhymes, uplifted and chosen. Out there always represent fire. Hope up and driven 100% for the longer time. He shall never forget, or you will all fall down with the oppressor.
The sun will always shine, chase my clouds away. No matter what it's like outside, children will always play. The sun will always shine, chase my clouds away. Chase my clouds away. No matter what it's like outside, children will always play. No matter what it's like outside. Yeah. Keep the final close, leave away the floor. Link them with the past, sanctuary is there.
He mea tautoko nā te maanga.
Iwa te kaumea iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaumea iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi. Morena
Ai.
e te iwi.
Mōrene e te iwi o here of the crew. E ara e mara mai te whitu karaka, tainoa ki te iwa karaka. Ia te wiki, ia te rā, ia te marama. But
Oh.
soon we'll be going on holiday.
Yeah,
Yes.
because it's Christmas next week, Itiwi, and if you're like got
Christmas.
nothing planned,
Mussy.
then panic.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
I'll see you at the panic buying station.
yeah.
Actually, what are you all
See
doing?
all the dads at the panic buying station.
Yeah. What are you doing
Just-
for Christmas?
Mums.
Oh,
Mum's
nice.
Friday.
You're not going down the line?
Mum,
After,
I
but for
love
Christmas,
you.
Mum's Friday.
Oh, great. What
Yes,
about you,
I
Phoenix?
do.
Anything exciting?
We're parking up at the beach all day.
That sounds
Great.
Like I was saying last time, we've got heaps of extended whānau that I like can't get to their whānau like down the line, whatever for whatever reason. So we've got heaps of extended whānau joining us for Christmas this year.
cool.
So we were like, oh well, let's not mess up someone's house. Let's go park up at the beach, have a
Barbecue,
barbecue and all of
yeah.
that. Yeah, go for a dive probably.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Kia ora.
love
And how
that.
about you, Lou?
We're at the Bird Nest this year.
The bird
The
nest.
Bird Nest, which is like every year, but we're doing the Bird Nest, big barbecue. All the whānau whānui are
Yeah.
coming. And then Boxing Day, we head to like a house, like a big house, just to
Very
chill out for a week.
nice.
Pool, spa,
Whereabouts?
just out at Waikaraka.
Oh, okay. We got Whare and Russell.
We coming.
Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are coming. Where's your
I just
Whare,
made it up
Russell?
now.
Yeah, we booked the Whare because it's my mum's 50th this year.
Oh, fun.
So she wanted to do something fun, so we booked the Whare in Russell from the 28th to like the 2nd, I think.
Oh, cool.
So we'll be up in Russell. So find out if you're around
Yes.
Russell around New Year's and all of that. Hit me up.
That'd
We'll
be
go
nice.
somewhere. I just want to fish and dive the whole time.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
But yeah, we're just going to
Mm.
chill out. We're just chilling for a week at this whare.
Me.
Can't wait.
Me too. I'm so keen, man. My brain's all the way clocked out. I thought we'd slow down about now, and people are still emailing me for stuff. Go away.
Yeah, no.
Engari te, ko tātou te ki tēnei wānga.
Yep. We have.
Topical news. What's on the agenda today?
Morning,
Yes,
guys.
good morning,
yes.
everybody, and welcome to Topical News, the national news of the topical tikanga. Of the tikanga topical.
Of the
Of the
tikanga.
tikanga. Last night, 11:59 p.m., the borders opened to all of our whānau in Tamaki
Huakina ngā
Makaurau.
tatau o te ora.
Welcome to more freedom. However, last night there wasn't too many issues with the border on each end, on the south and the Te Hana border. But there are three borders coming into Northland. You've got Te Hana, then you've got Maunga Turoto, and then you've
Oh,
got
wow.
Uretiti.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, you got to get through all three to get to the north.
I saw. That's good. I like that. I do like that. And so you have to have either be double vaxxed or have returned a negative
Test.
negative
And according
test.
to the stuff this morning, there was no issues last night. There were 100 cars queued up at 11:38 p.m. at
Wow.
the Te Hana border already.
Yeah, they're just
but
waiting to get out.
But
Far
because there
out.
was only 100, a few officers got to sort of check them off before. So as soon as that border opened in 59,
they could just
boom,
let
you're
them-
out.
Yeah, that's a
And
good idea.
likewise on the same end, which is quite
Mm.
cool. However,
Because
right
boom,
now,
no COVID now.
yeah. Right now, though, it is building because it's that time of the day. It's early morning.
It's already crazy on a normal Christmas holiday buzz. But
Correct.
like
Yeah.
now,
Now-
this is going to be.
True.
Don't drive.
And
I'm
actually,
telling you
someone
that.
pointed out to me this weekend is the only weekend Aucklanders can travel if they're going away.
Oh, if they want to get out.
They want to get out because it's the only weekend before Christmas. So I didn't realise that. I thought, oh, that's right. That's the only weekend they can
true.
get everything organised. And the other thing is, Air New Zealand has just had huge influx of people. So right now there are 12,000 people who have boarded flights over the next 5 hours
Yes, and the
to
weather
leave just to
decided.
go out of Auckland.
The weather decided to like throw another what do you call it thing into the spanner into the works.
Oh, some, works into the spanner.
Yeah, works into the spanner, but like the weather
That is bad.
was stopping people from going to Wellington and diverting all those flights.
yes, yeah.
So it's like, that's not even COVID related.
Yeah.
There's a
Mixed with COVID.
So what was happening as of yesterday? There was only 60 flights for the whole day from Auckland via the bigger cities to Christchurch and Wellington. Today there's 170 flights and there's
Holy
12,000 people flying on those flights. And then from today to the end of January, which isn't really that long away, 720,000 New Zealanders are flying and booked flights.
Wow.
That is huge. So
I saw
yeah,
oh,
one
just
of those.
kia tūpato, be careful
Yes.
and make sure you have got a plan
Yeah.
before you go and travel. 'Cause you need
And-
to get all that testing done.
Buy the travel insurance because with those numbers, your bag's getting lost. Oh,
Yeah,
touch wood.
true that. I saw a post too from the Northland police because there was heaps of concerns about people who live inside Northland who like kind of travel outside of Northland and back, you know, all of that sort of stuff, like getting stuck at the border. But I'm like, I'm living Northland, but I have to travel out to Ruakaka and back, you know, those kind of things.
Yes.
And the Northland police have said if you just have a letter with you that just has a proof of address on it, you can just quickly show that and then carry on. Like if you need to go
that's
out past
good.
those borders and that. So I saw that post. So if that's you and you travel, you know, you got to travel out and there's a border somewhere in your way, but you live in Northland, you can show them a proof of address with a little letter or something and they'll just let you ride on through.
Wow. Good
trying
to know.
fast track it. Yeah.
I mean, I'm flying this weekend because I was like, I'm not driving. And flights from Whangarei were $70. So I was like, yeah, boom, we're out.
Where are you
yeah.
going?
I'm just going to Auckland for a birthday.
Okay, that.
There and back.
Yeah,
a good
no,
idea.
fly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fly hard.
Flying.
definitely fly.
$70.
That's the same as petrol.
Yeah.
It's less.
So I was like, I'm out. All right.
Kia ora. What else is topical in the news?
Well, I did host the West Coast Sports Awards.
Oh, get it.
And people think, oh, it's just a local community thing. It's actually massive. It's huge. So there was Paul Cole, who's like the number 2 squash player in the world, was up for an award. Ruby Tui from the Sevens.
yeah.
Ruby Tui, I know,
Yeah.
yeah.
And Holly Robinson were up for big awards. Anyway, she won the Supreme Overall Award.
Away.
Holly Robinson.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah.
She's the gold medalist Olympian.
Yeah.
I just thought
Yeah.
I'd share that with you all.
Yeah, me.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
And Dame Finner, the movie's coming out,
Yes,
right?
there's a premiere yesterday and a premiere this morning in Auckland, which we can't go to.
Yes, and I know
but
there's
it comes
supposed to be
out
a
soon.
premiere in Panguru itself. Via Hene, Dame Finner's daughter told us,
Mm.
that she was getting ready for the premiere to hit Panguru.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, very cool. I
Yeah,
can't wait
hard
to
out.
watch it actually.
Hard
be
out.
good.
That's cool.
Starring
And-
Rena
yeah,
Owen.
Rena,
Yes.
and she looks good.
She looks like her.
Yeah. She suits it.
Ah,
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's coming out. So keep your eyes locked for that. Finally, for the dropping of that movie about Dame Fina Cooper and obviously her hikoi.
Hikoi.
yeah.
Hikoi, ake.
Speaking of Hikoi, a music festival is supposed to be happening in Ngatikuri area, and they've got hashtag Hikoi to 100 to boost vaccination rates.
Oh wow.
And I'm like, cool, but it actually doesn't say who's in the music festival. So I'm like, that's the jewel
Okay,
card.
that is the jewel card, guys. Come
Oh
on,
yes.
So Ngatikuri festival, whoop, whoop, but who's performing, guys?
guys. Oh dear.
There's
We
also
are- no.
Yeah.
there's also a silent auction happening.
Right now, can't hear it.
Yeah. It's silent. There's a silent auction happening right now on the Māori Women's. I'm gonna find it. I think it's on the Māori Women's Welfare. Oh,
Okay.
what's that?
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Mhm.
Yeah, there's a silent auction happening on there anyway. I'll find the details and I'll give you better details. But you can go on there as to help fundraise for for their cause. It's a silent auction with heaps of local artists' work. So it'd be a good opportunity to one, support a cause, and also two, buy a present for someone. So I'll get the details for that and I'll post them up I'll tell you them here because you need to get on there. Bid silent auction. All you do is comment in the comment section your bid. And then they'll close it. So I think it closes on the 22nd of December. So it goes from now till
Okay.
then. And you just, in the comment sections, you're bidding. And then highest bid obviously wins whatever that piece of artwork is.
Great.
Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cute.
That's my topical news. Anything else, guys?
Atui Tira, go on to the site. We'll post up this link to vote for Te Hakura and Atareta.
Yeah.
They are running for People's Choice
Yes,
Award
I
for the
saw
Aotearoa
that.
Music Awards happening this Friday evening. So you got to be in, go vote now. Woo!
Yes.
We'll post up the link, but Atui Tira, Te Hakura and Atareta,
Yes.
the 10 YouTube girls
AKA
going
from
for
YouTube.
People's Choice Awards. They're up against people like LAB,
That's
660, Teeks, I think, Troy Kingy,
Oh, wow.
and the girls.
Yeah.
But all of that, hey, all of them are cool.
Yeah.
Like Aotearoa Māori music, and also it seems like that.
Yeah.
It seems like it's just flooded
That's
with Māori
right.
people, which
That's
is
awesome.
cool. So yeah, get amongst it.
Before we go to the news, should we have a little a play with our?
Yes.
You know what I'm talking
Yes.
about. You know what I'm talking
I know
about.
what you're talking about. Here we go.
Here we go.
What's this?
12 days of Christmas of the year. That's right, everybody. It's your opportunity to get your bid in, get into the draw to win prizes galore up to the 23rd of December.
Yes, that's right, Friday. We're giving away a prize every day to celebrate 12 days of Christmas. We're jam-packing it into 9 days of Christmas. So on the 9th day, we'll be giving away 4 prizes that day. And the prizes just keep getting better and better and better
That's
as
right.
the days progress. Congratulations to our winner already, Alicia Halliday
Winners.
and Vaiana Rahui.
Yes.
Who won our soil and sand package and our package from Mai Taio. But we will be drawing a winner for today after the news.
And who knows what it is? We're so excited.
It's pretty cool. It's actually so exciting. It's real
We're just
exciting.
giving away stuff for free for Christmas
free.
for you and you and you. And
Yeah.
it has to go every day.
Yeah.
So if you're in the draw,
Yes.
someone has to win.
And
it's
if you're
going to
not
be you.
on the draw, all you
can.
have to do is go onto the Facebook page at Iare Amara or the Instagram page. Follow the instructions on the latest post. Easy.
Yes.
And boom, you're in the draw.
And you're
you
in
can be
the
in the draw
draw.
for today's prize.
Yes,
Aye.
and like we said yesterday, every day your chances of winning increase because one name wins and then they get pulled out of the draw. So that people will have like 40 names in there. So that's 40 less names in there.
Damn,
so
gosh.
come on.
Everybody, we want everybody to win. So put your names in there, and we've got plenty prizes to cover you all.
Yeah.
Out there, matter. But right now, we're going to go to the news. Straight after the news, we're drawing a winner. Straight after that, we're talking to Raniera McGrath. We've got Te Kupu and Mauna Koe. It's a jam-packed show, and we're only halfway. Kia ora tonu mai.
Yes, kia ora tonu mai. Ko hoki tātai ki te mito te rohe. We have This Christmas from Chris Brown. Because we're talking about Christmas. Let's go.
What's Christmas?
I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. Whoa, we're caroling through the night. Whoa, this Christmas will be a very special Christmas from me. Whoa, Ha. Let's go. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes are shining down, they do. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Whoa. Oh, shake a hand now. Na 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 na. Blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be so special for you and me. Yes, it will be. Whoa, whoa. Shake a hand, y'all. Come on, everybody shake a hand, y'all. Baby, hey, we'll be together to make this Christmas right. Yes, we will.
Ina wā o mua, days of old.
The issue around Ngāpuhi is something that the tupuna only began talking about in 1912. It wasn't something that had been talked about before. But in 1912, the tupuna met to find a way that united us all together. We always know about Ngāpuhi Kōhao, Ngāpuhi of 100 poles. Well, there have been several attempts by tupuna to try and unite the North. So there was several attempts to unite Tai Tokera under what some of you in your whakapapa and pepeha refer to as Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu. Not Ngāpuhi. Make that distinction. Ngāpuhi is the area that we now know as Ngāpuhi. Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu is generally used outside of Northland to describe the area from Tāmaki to the Cape. Because if you go to Tainui, if you go to Ngāti Awa, if you go to Tūhoe, they don't say Haere mai Tai Tokerau. They don't say Haere mai Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu. Whether you're from Te Rarawa, Te Aupōuri, Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Whātua, they say Haere mai Ngāpuhi. Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu is generally a term used to describe the region from Tāmaki to Te Rerenga Waipu.
Days of old, i ngā wā o mua.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea tautoko a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e te iwi ka tirohia ake ngā tatauranga ko Fiori o te rua te kau mā whāhaura nei, me te whakatūwheratanga mai o ngā kuaha o Tāmaki Makaurau ki te ao i te Wainganui pōnei. Te tuatura ki ngā hā kinakina e whai ake nei. Tuatahi ka tirohia ake ngā tatauranga ko Fiori o te rua te kau mā whāhaura nei. Waru te kau ngā kehi ho i hua ake i o tātou hapori i te rua te kau mā whāhaura nei. Rima te kau mā tahi kei Tāmaki, rua te kau mā tahi kei Waikato, toko whitu kei te moana a Toe, kotahi kei Taupō. Ono te kau mā rua tāngata kei te hohi pera me te ko Fiori, toko whā kei ngā wāhanga whā omo. Ki ngā tatauranga o te wā mo te kano āraitanga o te iwi Māori, waru te kau mā ono ōrau o ngai tātou kua whai te pūwerotanga tuatahi, whitu te kau mā rima ōrau kua whai i te tuarua. Hūrira wāke ki te pūnaha rama toru, kia maumahara koutou hei te toru te kau o Hakihea, ka taka te katoa o te motu, haunga rā te rohe o te Tai Tokerau, ki raro iho i te maru o te Tai Karaka. Ka anohoa te Tai Tokerau ki te Tai Whero, nā te toko iti tonu o rātou, kua whai i ngā pūwerotanga e rua o te kano ārai. Hoi no rā, no te Wainganui pōnei i tūwhera ai a ngā kuaha o Tāmaki Makaurau ki te ao. Ana ka hei te marea, kua whai tohu kano ārai, kua whai whakamātautau rānei e ki ana kāri a rātou te ko Fiori ki te wehe i Tāmaki, whai muri iho i te whāmarama e noho here pūana. Hei tā Willie Jackson, tō tātou minita whakawhanake Māori, ko te mea nui, ko te mea uua hoki ki te kāwanatanga, ko te whai i te kauhanga nuitanga i roto i a rātou whakatau katoa. Hei tāna i a ta whai whakaro rātou ki ngā tāngata katoa i roto i tā rātou whakatau kia tūwhera no ngā kuaha o Tāmaki Makaurau. Hei tāna he uua tēnei mea te ko Fiori, nā te mea he tino hou, he tani whahou tēnei kei Wainganui i a tātou. Hioi hei tāna ko te mea nui kia tautoko tātou i a tātou i roto i te roanga o te raumati. Ki te Tai Tokerau, ka mahitahi ngā prihimana me ngā iwi ki te chaki i ngā huarahi e kuhu atu ana ki te rohe o te Tai Tokerau. Me te ha e mea na ngā prihimana ka rōna ki te haere mārunga huarahi a e whakapono ana te iwi ka whai hua ngā taupātanga nei hei tiro i ngā tohu kano ārai a te Maria. Hei tā Rick Few o te Manatū prihimana, ko tōna tūmanako mo tēnei kaupapa mo ngā taupātanga huarahi nei ki te Tai Tokerau, kia mahi nui ngā prihimana me ngā iwi kia tino tutuki ai ngā wawata, ngā āwhero mo te haumarutanga o te Tai Tokerau. Hei tāna ko te tūmanako ia kia whakahaerehia ngā taupātanga huarahi nei i roto i te rangi Māori e. Ki te rohe o Mātātua e whitu ngā rā o te wiki, te puna hauara o Mātātua e mahi ana kia kano āraitia e rātou ngā whānau o te rohe o Tūhoi. Ko etahi o enei whānau kei ngā hapori kōke i e noho ana pēnei i te Waimana me te ha toru te kau mā iwa ōrau noiho o tērā hapori kua whai i te kano ārai. Hei tā Tony Boynton o te poari o te Waimana, kāri ko atu, kāri ko mai i a rātou, puta noa i te motu mo te tokoiti o te hapori kua whai i te kano ārai. Hei tāna i ngā wiki tata nei, rua te kau ōrau noiho o te hapori kua whai te kano ārai, engari kua piki haere i aia nei. Hei tāna E hari te mea he Māori anake kei Waimana e noho ana no reira kei te rere ngā māharahara ki te whānuitanga o te hapori. Ko tīmata ngā marae o te tongo o Tāmaki pēnei I te marae o ngā whare wātea ki te tuku I ngā perehana krihimete ki ngā whānau tuakoka o te rohe. Kia te huri ake tātou ki te kai whakahaere kia puhi huia Wade.
Kai tētahi o ngā kaimahi kei Manuka Urban Māori Authority. I tēnei wā, mo te wā kirihimete, te whakarite mai mātau o Manuka Urban Māori Authority, ki te toha etahi pawaka kai, ki ngā whānau maha o Tāmaki makaura, no reira, koina tā mātou kaupapa ko te 7 Days of Christmas, noa ki te rawiki a te Winnerei.
Nō re tiwi e whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
I mohi o koe nui ake I te 2,000 tāngata Māori e whakarongo mai ana, whakapātu ki taua reanga I nā ia tonu nei. Ka tāia e Māori Media Network te whakahaere tō tika tō pānuitanga hoko huri noa I te motu nei. Mo e tehi kōrero anō e pāna ki tēnei kaupapa, tupuhi mera mai kia mātua Māori Media Network. info@maorimedia.co.nz Taua I mera anō info@maorimedia.co.nz
Poi tū ko hu, ko whai tohu a Charlie's Ledger Walker o Waikato Tainui hei tāpiri tanga atu māna ki te maha o āna tohu I ngā tau nei I te whare wānanga o Washington State. Ko whakawhiwhia ia ki te tohu kai tākaro o te wiki, he tohu mana nui I roto I ngā whare wānanga o Amerika. Ko te rōpū I whakawhiwhi I tēnei tohu ki aia, te rōpū e whakahaere ana I ngā hā kinekina whare wānanga katoa o taua whenua. Nā, koe nei te wā tuatahi, ko whai a Ledger Walker I te tohu nei. Nā āna mahi mihoro mā tōna kapa I ngā kēmu e rua nei I toa ai rātau I roto I aua kēmu e rua, ko ia pēr te take I whai ai ia I tēnei tohu whakahirehira. Hoi no rei tiwi, koe ranga hā kinekina o te wā, kia ora tātou.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāta, mā te reo, e whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Te tiro whakamuri, kia anga whakamua. A series dedicated to sharing stories from Te Tai Tokeno whānau about their own tupuna and kōrero tuku iho to support the effort towards oranga tonutanga of iwi and whānau of Te Tai Tokero. Visit angawhakamua.co.nz to learn more. Te tiro whakamuri, kia anga whakamua.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowheori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai I te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
The rhythm of the rohe.
Are you having a fundraiser, meeting or community event? Let us know. Email onair@ngatihinefm.co.nz or message us on Facebook. Proudly supporting your community, Ngāti Hine FM.
Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki te tua papa. Connecting to practices that nurture well-being. I mohia koe, did you know? Washing your hands for 20 seconds helps stop the spread of disease. Apply enough soap to cover wet hands and get in between fingers and under nails for 20 seconds. Rinse with water and dry thoroughly. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pū mo te ora, to maintain well-being.
Get your first, second or booster shot with Ngāti Hine Health Trust. Our Torongare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
Or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info.
Ngāti Hine FM. Tau mārere here here I te riri.
Here re tiria te puna I ke te riki. E are mara chahu! Gaelic.
We just had
Never
to,
under the chehu.
yeah. We just wanted to because there was a little chehu. We're like, oh, nah.
Just any of you out there, come in. We're going to teach you.
Was that who did
You
it?
can't half by it, man.
Was that who did it?
I think so. Is it? She's out there.
Is it?
Come in. Here no mai hoki mai ki tēnei hotaka ki anei ko ea nei mara. Where we're live on air and online at Ngāti Hine FM at ea nei mara. Check us out.
99.1.
Oh. If you're still here, you've made it through the rocky, bumpy intermission part.
Yeah,
and now
that's
it's
right.
smooth sailing all the way to 9 o'clock.
When we changed, like at halftime, when movies used to have halftime, we had to change the reel up.
Oh,
the back.
yeah. We go out for ice cream.
Yeah, intermission.
Cute. They used to have to do the national anthem and everything too.
Half time at theatre. Throw your hands up in the sky. Hey. Howdy, mother.
Maruwata Rewati can give you a chair who I bet you
Oh, yes, she can. No, yeah. She's like, wowza.
That's awesome. I love that. Actually, that takes me back to when we were young. Remember when we were young, we used to go to farmers and play on the elevators and hide and go seek?
Yes.
And then Maruwata would come up for a holiday and we'll go to the food court.
That's right. Oh, at the bottom of the movies, we're cutting the honors now.
Yes.
They had, what would you eat at that food court?
The
chicken?
Chinese. The Chinese.
Oh, yeah, I'd go
place.
for the Chinese too.
I can still smell it. I can still see it.
Charcoal chicken.
Charcoal chicken. There was the
There was that
Chinese
lady
place.
from Tikipunga. She was on the by the Chinese. She had a
She
little.
the Māori one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. She had the watercress boil up. Oh, I remember.
I was
those
a go at
days.
that food hall.
But we used
then
to
it
walk
opened
around
into
town.
Rebel Surf.
Yes. We used to walk around town and think we had lots to do.
Yes, and then there was the cheap Rebel Surf at the back.
Yeah,
The alleyway. That was a cool
the
shop
outlet,
too.
Yes.
That's right.
Now it's a Balinese, freaking Taiwanese.
You can't even walk through. We used to be able to walk through.
I'm hungry.
That'll do it.
Yummy.
Yeah.
That was.
Don't do
Those were the
shit,
days.
Those are the days
When
we'd
Mother
go
Nature
to
would come up-
sounds on the
Sounds,
corner
yes.
and listen to the music with the
Oh.
Are you repeating this like it's
Are you
not?
repeating this?
She would have slapped.
No, I'm listening. Yeah, sounds.
Sounds what calls was a
Music
buzz.
What cool.
Musical.
Musical.
Yes, because
You're gonna get a slap,
there was
man.
a lady that looked like Lavina that worked there.
Yes.
Yes. She was really nice every time. Like,
see her.
welcome. Come and listen. You guys gonna buy nothing. Just use the headphones.
Oh, I could just smell the place. I can see it all. Oh, it was quite. The town was busy.
Yes.
Town was busy. The only thing that's still like Jane's West is still
there.
Is it?
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah,
Same place.
that's the only thing. And Oars.
Yeah.
Orr's Pharmacy. That's because Ken Orr owns most of that town.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Ken. Kenny
Anyway,
boy.
just seen Maruwata's chair. Who thought, oh,
That's
takes
a
me back to
memory
the
lane.
holidays.
Yeah.
When JJ's Hellenstein were up the
It was
scene.
the go-to. And if you had money, that's where you'd go.
That's
crack up.
That's where we'd go get our.
You always had money. Blue Revolution.
I used to
Oh,
work
you shopped
there.
at Blue Revolution. You
I
were
worked
bougie.
there for part-time work.
Yeah, and you shop there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were fronter. Always
Rev was
fronter
cool.
Natalie Jade. They always had the shoes.
Yes, they always had shoes.
Cheapskates.
That's when I was introduced to
Cheapskates.
hustle.
Etnies.
Etnies.
Etnies. Shut up.
Wow. Okay, you're pissing me off.
Piss
The
me
weather.
off.
Go to the weather. The weather today is
Decker.
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 That's why.
And used to walk straight through Vine Street.
That's why I used to buy my my first Flintstone when Flintstones
Bubble
came out.
bath.
Yeah.
Bubble
bath.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
It's because he's only 10.
Where did you grow up? In the bush?
Yeah, I did actually.
Oh,
Kakohe.
amazing. Actually, I think that's lovely.
Yeah. Sam, did you hear what he said? Everyone who lives at Kakwe.
Did not. It's currently 20 degrees and it's a high of 27. And
Yeah, harmony motutia.
It says 27 degrees for the high, but it's more like 29 degrees. So it's a hot day today. Humidity has dropped from 93% to 90%, which is still hot. 2 hours of good, excellent laundry washing. Northwesterlies, possible shower. Fine spells.
All right, hey, King Artile Whakare, you can just jump right in there, but if you jump, you're going to hit the bottom at 12 o'clock, 10 to 12 this afternoon. But if you jump in, you'll go into the Jeep at 6:15 this evening. Brought to you by Steve Irwin's cousin.
Oh, it's too much right.
Yes. Thanks,
Cue the sexy voice, Chunga, now.
This is Maramataka.
I love...
Brought to you by Jake the Mus.
Yeah, that's Phoenix's sexy voice.
Yeah.
He's gone to Jake the Mus.
It's Jake. Jake Hickey.
It's Jake. Jake here.
Yeah.
Oh,
There you
today-
go.
yeah, too much right.
Too much here, boy.
Today's
today's
muffin.
Today's muffin.
Hera pai mo te whakatōkai.
Whakatōkai.
He nui ngā kumara engari kia tupato. He piru. Hera pai mo te hika. He pō pai mo te
Hika.
hopu koura.
Oh.
Hey, too much. You'll be back.
Go buy something.
Why don't you? Okay, Luke or Fright.
Hey, singing your song.
Nah,
You
took too
didn't
long.
start it. You're the starter.
I was going Jake the Mus.
Ina, Sagimanawa, Kia, yay.
Which brings
Sorry
up.
about
Whoa, are we giving something away?
We
now,
are! Oh, are we?
Give it away, give it away,
Give it away now! Give it away! Give it away now!
Get your skates on, it's Huey. It is sun shining and snowing outside.
Wow, look at the snow, Dad.
Oh my god.
Oh, where's your dad?
Are you my daddy?
Why is mommy kissing Santa Claus?
That's your daddy.
That's the milkman.
Oh my gosh.
Wonderful time. You digress.
It's my first bike.
Wow, I've got a Barbie doll.
Did you just get a bike for Christmas?
Sure
Yeah.
did.
I've got a photo of I've literally got a photo of our first bike that we got of us receiving it, and
Yeah.
it's straight up postcard first Christmas face, like
I know. And
Yeah.
do you remember that?
yeah.
Yes.
So it was me, my brother, and my uncle Edward, and we were all getting our first bikes on the same Christmas at the same time in the house that we live in now.
Love it.
And there's a photo of our faces, like seeing them, and bro,
You'd be
It's-
so cute as a little
looks
wee
like
kid.
it looks like every postcard you've ever seen of Christmas. You
Oh,
know, there's
that's
real like
cool.
cheese balls, like look at their face. Yeah.
I remember getting my
Santa's
first
real
bike
face,
on Christmas. Yeah, and I loved it. Like it was the same thing. Like there's a bike in the middle and it's pink, so
Yes.
it must be mine.
Yeah.
And it was a big
Yeah.
a mountain
No,
bike,
it's
an adult one. Because I loved riding bikes, and it was an adult one, and I was like, it's huge. And then Mum was like, Santa must have thought you were Moana, my cousin, and so got you a bigger one. And I was like, he's on. Loved it. I had that for
Yeah,
years.
Santa.
We were told there was a letter saying, "Oh, you need to go down to the garage." We couldn't come to the
Yeah.
chimney.
Mm.
Like, oh, okay. And we open the garage, you're like,
That guy.
and it's like there was 4 bikes because we were all the kids and stuff. It was
Yeah,
great.
man, bikes, bikes
Yeah.
is where it's at. But if you can't, that's okay. I'm
Yeah.
just can't talking about
And
it.
then grandma says, "Can you go down the road and get a milk on the bikes?"
Yes,
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
bikes.
It
We
was
rode everywhere. It was great.
Yes.
Did you
Yeah.
play Tiggy on your bikes? Like you had to
Mm.
tag the back wheel?
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
Even if they went into the hedge? Yes. How do I still remember that? We used to do that around the country.
We used to think it was like we'd get those those bungees with the 2 hooks,
Ah, yes.
like on the ends,
Yeah.
and so you'd hook one onto one bike and then the
Oh,
on the other,
yes.
and like tow each other around, and like and we
The go bowl.
Yeah.
Love it. That's
Oh, your
good
thing just fell
times.
down again.
Oh.
Good time, kids. Get outside and crash each other's bikes together.
Yeah.
That's the way to play.
Yeah, that's my kid's hearty. Anyway,
Let's
we
give some
digress.
stuff away.
Let's look. I can play this one too. Look.
I'm like, that's so random. No, I get it. Te wheel. The spinning wheel for E Ara E Mara's kaupapa 12 Days of Christmas. You get a prize. You get a prize. Everybody gets a prize.
It's going to
So
show
right
you
now-
all the names.
Yep.
There's so many people on that wheel.
We're going to bring up the wheel so you guys can see it, that it is wheel.
That's good. That
was good.
Bring it
Play
up.
the song
Bring
again.
what up?
Sorry, play the song. Bring what up? Yeah, bring
up-
the.
Oh, that's all?
Bring
Oh, that's all.
the heat. Bring up the.
Here
it is.
Yeah.
Next track.
Boom.
Here it comes.
All right, let's click it. Let's spin. Let's see who won.
We do it?
Yeah, let's
If you're
do it.
listening at home on the radio, we've got a wheel up currently.
If you entered, yes, if you entered today or last night, or yesterday, we've put you in to the rest of the name list.
Yes, you're there. You're there.
And here we go.
People at home listening, here we go. The wheel is spinning. The wheel is spinning.
yeah.
Oh, this is fun.
If you're
Who's
watching at
it
home, you
gonna
can see it. Who's it
be?
going to be? The wheel is spinning.
Oh, it's so little.
The winner is
Yeah.
Right, well done, Tala.
Well, Tala, what he won?
One of you won, okay.
Okay, so Tala, you're our lucky winner.
Tell
Let's
us.
see what
Tell
it
us
is.
what he won.
You were taking
He
home.
deserves a cheer.
Yes, he is a cheer too. He's a good one.
And what
Here
did
we
he?
go.
Oh, I look. It's more seen it. Yeah, Tala.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
and
and now if
the
you're listening
second
at
wheel's
home,
up.
Oh,
the
here.
second wheel is going to show you prizes at home.
And you won the heart.
Here we go, Tala.
Here we go. The wheel is spinning.
Turn up the music.
Tala taking home.
Whoa.
Yes,
You have won 5 classes of Central Core Pilates.
You're gonna love that, Tala.
Central Core Pilates. I
And
like,
if you,
you know, it's funny. I think of Tala. I think Central Core Pilates.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
I think Tala, work on the core. You'll be there. The central core here in Whangarei. Awesome! Huge shout out to Tala Rewiti.
That's right.
Central core. If you don't know what that's about, it's about Pilates, but they've got like contraptions and all. I've got a crack up video of Luke
It's actually really,
and
really,
Zach.
really good.
Fat Boys Barbecue testing it out. We're gonna post that up.
Yes.
I'm still
Got
waiting
a
for it.
got a
We're
comment
gonna
here.
post it up. There's a cape up and down.
Yes.
got the comment here from Zoe and Co Collective. She's just cracking up. Yeah, get it, Tala.
Yeah, Kizzy Tala.
Kazzy.
It's very good. It's a lot of work. It's like a workout, but they're free.
Yeah, for
You're going to
sure.
get 5 classes for free. Thank
There
you.
you go.
That's
Tell
at
us-
Central Core Pilates right here in Whangarei, supporting our kaupapa of 12 days of
Christmas.
It's
Don't
the
ever
most
jump in there quickly like that again.
time. Oh, look, you just yeah, Tala.
Yeah, Tala Lele, good news.
Central Core Pilates. That's
You
that's
know, that's
screams.
what he was wanting. I
Yeah.
was like, he's like, Kaz, if I want anything, it's
Yeah,
the Pilates.
I seen it. I could see him in my head. Central Core Pilates. Central Core Pilates. Central Core Pilates.
Central Pilates.
Yes. Yeah.
Amazing.
You're welcome.
You are very welcome.
Yeah, you're
That was fun, though. Yeah.
All I can say is, yes,
Stretchy pants,
That's
yes.
right. Tala, you're going to be reintroduced to your groin.
Yes. You need to wear your recreation clothes.
No, but it's actually very
Stretchy
good, and we're very
pants.
grateful
Stretchy
to
pants.
Central Core because they've sponsored the prize, and that's
Yes.
That's cool.
they didn't
That's
charge
cool.
us, so so we shout.
So
It's a
shout out.
sponsorship.
It's a sponsorship
Awesome.
prize.
Well done, Stretchy Pants Tala. I shall name you that for the rest of your life.
Stretchy pants.
Stretchy pants Pilates.
All right, that's 12 days. It's easy. All you got to do is put your name in the drawer, and we draw out a winner every day.
Every day.
Tala's taken away the Pilates.
Yes.
Alicia's taken away the
Mai
Mai
Tai.
Tai, and Vienna took away the Soil and Sand. So we've still got
packet.
plenty more prizes coming your way.
Can't wait. We'll be sending it
Yes.
out to you soon.
That's
Also,
so
if you're a
fun.
local business and you want to just jump in and say, hey, I've got some prizes, we can give those away too.
Yes.
Bring them on in.
Yes.
Come and join us.
We are getting some shirts sent to us from Aratoa Media of that that
Yes,
design.
I want to
that they
keep
get.
that.
Yeah. Well, she said she'll send ones to give away, and also some for you guys for the crew. Too.
Yes, I saw this cool design.
It is. That's a mean design.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm keen as
Hard.
any shirt with big Māori design. I'm like, yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
Hey,
Māori
Māori.
ahau.
Ah,
Tēnei
no
ki
reira.
tēnei.
Aye. Oh, nifa. Be bold, be resolute, be fierce.
Oh,
Kia
kia ora.
nifa. No reira whānau ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have Bang Bang from Ariana Grande.
Yes.
No reira, kaue huri
It's
ki
for
te
you,
ana
Tala.
te Ngāti Hine FM. This is
Bang
for you.
bang.
This is the song they're going to play for you. Secho Kua Palani.
Yeah.
Ngāti Hine FM.
But I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive. Oh, you've been waiting for that. Step on up, sweet, your back. See, anybody could be bad to you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Yeah. Bang, bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, tell you. Bang, bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang, bang, seat on my car. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, tell you. She might have let you hold her hand to show you how to graduate. Know how to lead it and you talk the talk. Just come and show me what your mama gave. Gotta repeat. You don't say a thing. Say anybody could be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind. Bang, bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, tell you. Bang, bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang, bang, seat on my car. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, tell you. It's mix, Moscato, it's Frizz in the bottle, it's Nicki full throttle, it's swimming in the grotto, we winning in the lotto, we dipping in the pot of blue photo. Getting so good, it's dripping on wood, get a ride in that engine that could go. Batman robbing it, bang bang cocking it, Queen Nicki dominant, prominent. It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull off in this Ferrari. If he hanging, we banging. Phone ringing, he slanging. It ain't karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause I'm singing. B to the A, to the N to the G to the B to the A, to the N to the G to the hey. See anybody could be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind, your mind. Okay. Bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, till you yeah. Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang bang, see you look hard. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute, till you bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang all over you. Yeah, that's it. Bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang. Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang bang, see them go. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you down. Wait a minute till you.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Matawaia.
E noho ana te whare nui o rangi Māori e ki runga i te marae ātea o Matawaia. E mea ana ngā kōrero koia te wāhi I tangi ai a hine amari mo tōna ta maiti ki a whē. Koia I waiwai tia tana mata ki ana roimata, ka huaina tia te ingoa o taua wāhi ko Matawaia. E tū mai rā I te taha o te whare hui ko te whare kai e mohi o tia na ko media. Me te mahara ki ngā kōrero mā te tika mai o ngā mahi o muri, ka tika mai ngā mahi o mua.
Matawaia.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi more nei tiwi e ara e mara. Huge congratulations, huge ciao!
Yeah.
For Tala Rewati, who is our winner of 12 days of Christmas thanks to us. Yes, great. Great timing, guys. Kaupapa this morning. Right now, we're going to dive into our interview for Te Rangine. We've hopefully got Raniera McGrath on the line to talk about this kaupapa called Anga Whakamua.
Yep.
Which we were part of. Okay. Then we yeah, that's the one. There he is. You gotta hang up the phone again?
He has.
Yep.
Oh yeah. But we gotta recall him because that's it.
Yep.
Yeah, put him up. Oh wait, let's listen to you calling. So push phone. Yeah. Hang up first. Okay.
We'll just keep talking. We love and now you're going to start it again. Okay, here we go. The number is. Are you ready? Push the button. Okay, maybe not.
So much button pushing.
I know.
Ready.
And push the buttons now. 021.
Yes.
Wait. I can't say that out loud. I love them. You've done the. Oh, you told me to read it out.
This is the best interview ever.
Let's play a song.
No.
Okay, and now the dial tone is not on. No. Here we go. Oh, you just had it before. Go back.
Yeah, but did you hang up? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There we go. No, hang up. Privacy guy. Yes, thank you, Archie Pauline. No, you can't do it yet, Fina. It's...
Nah.
Yeah, ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Now, push the button. He's dialing the number now. He's dialing an 021 number. It's going through now to Raniera McGrath. Here we go. And let's see if that...
That's hilarious.
Okay,
we'll come out. No, you know what it is? Raniera, if you're listening, call us on 0800 500 520.
I actually had a missed call from Wellington. But that's not... Isn't he...
Look, don't fill us in on your personal stuff. Like.
Anyway,
your cameras. Sort it out, Phoenix.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's just talk about...
anyway, Anga Whakamua, he kaupapa, that we went around with Raniera McGrath, and Zoe Coyne and Nefa Creative were a part of the capturing part, but he kaupapa nā ara taua I kua timata, and you can go check it out. angawhakamua.co.nz.
Yes, yeah.
Their website is live, and it's all about capturing the kōrero from our kaumātua, putanoi te taitokere, and what they went through with the past pandemics and
really cool.
What they have to say about today's.
Why don't we message him to say ring us on the 0800 number?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my taku whono.
Whono.
Yola. Right.
Kore te whonu.
Kore te whonu.
No, Phoenix, you've not done that for a long time.
I haven't actually.
Oh, please. Here we go.
Here we go. Let's keep this nice and live and raw. And
Kore te whanu.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, no. So, Anga Whakamua was an amazing kaupapa, and it was cool to hear all the kōrero from these kuia kaumātua from up and down the rohe, and they were just sharing their stories from their lived experiences and from their parents and from the stories that their parents had told from their parents about te mate refa, the Spanish flu, tuberculosis, all of those sort of things, and kind of measles, and the way tikanga had to change and shift because of those things and because of the severity of them. Our whānau would like take part in isolation, isolating long before COVID came. Whānau were isolating in their hapu and iwi, so it was pretty cool to hear all their kōrero. Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
It would be really
and just to reconnect with kaumātua. Oh, here we go. Okay. We'll answer this and then we're online. Morena, it's Prata. Hello, koe.
Morena.
We have got liftoff.
We were having a few technical difficulties, Tukana. I blame Marcia.
Because I'm not behind the desk. No.
Bloody.
Anyway, Morena.
Welcome, Raniera to Mara. welcome to our show, and let's just get straight into the whole kaupapa here. I mean, you're talking to Luke right now. So Marcy and Phoenix been part of the kaupapa last week or the week before with you filming around Te Tai Tokido. I was not there. So for people listening at home and people watching online, tell us about the kaupapa behind Anga Whakamua.
Yeah, so kia ora koutou. With this kaupapa Anga Whakamua, was really he kaupapa hei rangahau ngā koro ne. It was a research kaupapa to kind of go into our kāinga, into our communities and find what were some of those kōrero historical accounts about past pandemics that might have affected our whānau and our hapu, our iwi, within the far back blocks of Pangaru, or Te Hapua, Pugipoto, Matawaia, all that kind of stuff. And what were some of those tikanga that our whānau, our tupuna did back in those days to protect themselves and protect their whānau, man? Yeah.
Right.
Cool.
Good stuff.
Yeah,
Really
and
interesting.
so all those places, like you went, it took you a whole week. What was some of the highlights out of the kōrero that they have? Were there similar kōrero from all of them?
Yeah, it was a full-on weekend, to be honest, and there was some awesome kōrero that came out of each speaker. I was a little bit anxious, to be honest, when I was first talking to some of them, because a lot of the stuff, what I realized is that every single whānau we talked to, their whānau had directly been affected with some kind of mate.
Oh, wow.
So whether or not it was, not just the mate rongonui nei that we all know of, the Spanish flu and all that from 1918, but especially like TB, how big TB was amongst our people with mate kohi, and how long TB has been here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Te tainga mai o I mui te haina tango te tiriti. There was some real touchy kōrero, I guess, because they're actually reliving some of these past traumas. And on reflection, you could really feel that because of these certain events and certain deaths and infections and all that kind of stuff, that there was long-lasting trauma that lasted for a long time. For some of these people who seen and felt and all that kind of stuff, these mate, when they were young little kids, 4 or 5 years old, they lived with that trauma and those memories right up into their passing in the 80s, 90s.
Wow.
So it was very interesting. A lot of them did talk about the differences of those times, especially around kai, and how we as a people operated back then. A lot of our people, we were all about, money kai and all that kind of stuff, kirikari, digging gardens, and that was an oranga for us. Today, we're easy to go down the road and get McDonald's to go to Pack and Tea and whatever, we don't even know how to grow kumura or potato.
So in sharing this kōrero, bro, what's the hope for the kaupapa? Like, so obviously we're in rangahau mode, talking to all these kuia kaumātua up and down the rohe. So what's the hope of the kaupapa and talking to these people? What's the goal?
So the main goal really of this is to shed some light on that there is a way for us to move forward with what we're going through at the moment. Hopefully that those people who might be a little bit karangirangi or hirawe, a little bit anxious and all that kind of stuff, worrying about everything that's going on, that, they always say, te tiro whakamua, whakamuri nei, ki anga whakamua I tātou. And if you look back into the history, our historical accounts, we can find evidence and find teachings and learnings that can help us today. And not just today, to help us tomorrow. Because no doubt, when we get through what we're going through at the moment, with our struggles and our challenge, that tomorrow when our mokopuna, our kids, take over the helm of the waka, they're going to go through something similar,
Yes.
So for me, in this main whole kaupapa really was that, okay, what are some of the tools that we can utilize to help navigate these difficult situations?
Yeah. And then those tools, because some of the kōrero was around a kupu that you used a lot or talked about a lot, pūreirei, which is obviously from the kōrero that was shared, we talked about isolating and separating whānau from sick whānau and all that sort of stuff. So isolation and those type of concepts isn't new to us.
Yeah, that's right. That was one of the biggest things that that we found out upon talking to these whānau members, these kaimātua, is that this isn't new. What we're going through today isn't new. It might be a new mate, but our tupuna over the past 200 years have gone through exactly the same thing. There was our matua Shane Jones who talked about a pandemic, a mate that came in to some of our whānau in the far north before the signing of the treaty, you know, and how they were sent to an island called Motutangi, on the place called Motutangi. You know, upon talking to our pihopa, Tito, and he's the one that brought up that word, that being in isolation and all those kinds of things. And even talking about words such as okaina, oka, which was about vaccination and rongoa and all that kind of stuff. So it was amazing that there's all these kupu that were actually existing before now. And it highlights that our tupuna were talking about all this kind of stuff
before. Yes.
And maybe think, well, why haven't we stopped talking about it?
Kia ora, kōrero. Any last highlights about the whole hiding o kaupapa that you have?
Last highlights? There was so many.
Hanging out with us. Hanging out with us.
That was highlight number one.
Ana, e mihi ana ki a koe e te tuakana, e te prata me nei kōrero au, and e te iwi, if you want to go check out more, angawhakamua.co.nz. There is also stories that we haven't heard of that your own karani mama, papa, tupuna might have that you know of. Get them to go to this page or go to the page with them, angawhakamua.co.nz, and you can put in your own stories about it.
Oh, yeah.
Ai,
bro, e kōrero whakamutunga wau?
Ai, o weno, kuku whakamutunga ki a tātou. Kia kaha nei tātou ki te kōrero, tētahi ki tētahi, we were saying in the far north, tūria te wānanga, so let's get these wānanga going. But when we're having these frank and open conversations, e hoama, me pupuri tunu, ki wena tikanga ne, kia aroha tētahi ki tētahi. Wero hia te kaupapa, engari, koe taka hia te tangata. Mo reira, e rate wena pupu, tēnā putu rata.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, bro. Mihi ana kia koe o tira ara taua media, nā rātou I whāriki hia tēnei kaupapa nō reira. Mihi atu kia koutou. Ciao, brother.
Kia ora. Kia pai tira.
Yes, take care.
Bye. Bye.
Amazing.
Ka pai. There you go. There we go.
At least the beep's gone. I don't know if he's gone. He might still be there.
Engari, he kaupapa hira tēnei te iwi. Again, angawhakamua.co.nz.
Yes.
Huge shout out to Arataua. Cool kaupapa. And they've just hit the ground running. You'll see all the stuff that they're putting out. Yes, also Zoe Coyne in the comments there. You'll see her beautiful mahi, her portraits and photography that she captured on that haerenga. But very cool kaupapa. Go check it out. angawhakamua.co.nz.
Angawhakamua. You can check them out on Facebook and on the website on Facebook. And there's also videos coming out from Arataua Media. They've got some new shirts that they're dropping.
Yes, and they've got confirmation from Shay saying they're giving us shirts to give away.
They are giving us shirts, and the shirts are mean. Like they've got like that puhoro type of design across the front, and it's mean, one of those big ones you can wear so everyone knows you're Māori, but also or that you love Māori. But in the corner of it is a QR code, and so you can scan that QR code with your phone and it'll take you directly to where all these resources are being held. So that was the purpose of it, to gather these resources, to gather these recordings, place them all into one central place so you can go and kind of hear the kōrero for yourself, because there's a lot of skewed kind of kōrero going around about our Māori whakaaro.
What we thought, so you can hear it straight from heaps of kaumātua.
Straight from te manga te hoiho.
Sad.
Sad.
One of the kōrero that was repeated, like going around Taitokere, was the fact that yes, kia hoki ai tātou ki o tātou, what is it called? Growing our own kai, mahi mara, going, rongoa Māori ai, pai tērā, but, you know, the kōrero that was coming out a lot of the time was he Māuiwi Pākehā,
Yeah.
Werohia te Rongoa
Mate
Pākehā.
Pākehā, Rongoa Pākehā. Aye.
But anyway, you'll hear all of this kōrero.
Yes.
Not from us, but from them.
Yeah, and
That's
it
true.
was pretty cool. And also like another underlying kōrero that kept coming through was the fact that it was in our best interest for our whakapapa to just carry on.
Yes.
So our tupuna and the kuia kaumātua that we talked to, their parents, it was in the best interest for just the whakapapa to carry on being strong. So they did whatever it took for that to happen, which included oka.
Oka.
Which was
Pūreirei.
that kōrero we got from Pūreirei that we just got from Rāniera,
Gems,
aka
man,
Moko
gems.
Cody, all the gems.
All the gems, and like Rāniera said, that's there. Just we've stopped talking about it. So, pērā, kōrero here, wānanga here.
Yes.
Let's go. angawhakamua.co.nz in the words of my cousin Mauri too. Mauri ora!
Yes. Also opens the door to talk to your kuia kaumātua about what the hell, what they dealt with or what their parents dealt with. So just go have a wānanga whānau, stop watching TikTok for your information. You watch it for a laugh, not for facts. Right?
That's right. Speaking about facts, and Mauna Koe coming up very shortly here on First. We got more bang bang.
Oh, all the bang bangs from Lady 6. No reira kia au tonu mai ngati NFM.
Where you been all my life? Trying to change wrong or right. Trying to aid those in the fight. So touch your life forever. Even though I know it's hard, it gets a grain, gonna leave a scar. This is not a condolence card. This is just to let you know that I know. I know. If I can feel it, you can too. 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 If I can feel it, you can bang, bang, bang it all down. Who's gonna pick 'em up now? Who's gonna dust 'em off? Feed the fire, burn the flame to prove a beast to rise. And they're losing against the system, losing against the ones who rule the world. Have to try to make a difference. Who they gonna run to when they are in trouble? Who they gonna run to? Who they gonna turn to? They gonna turn to. I wanna be the one. I want to be the one. Yeah. I wanna stand in. I wanna stand fight for their life, their life, their life. Who they gonna run to? Who's gonna fight for them? I wanna fight. I wanna fight for their life.
Live local home. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kama iwa i ono ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM. E are mara e mihi ana ki a Rani Anna McGrath, who is just on here talking about angawhakamua.co.nz. If you want to know about the kaupapa, go Whārangi Purangi, as well as Facebook and Insta. They're everywhere. But definitely go check it out. Angawhakamua.co.nz.
Angawhakamua whānau. It's an awesome kaupapa. Heaps of little from koia kaumātua. So you can't argue.
No, that's
you can't argue. Like, no, that's not true. Hey, came straight from the koia. Shut your mouth, shut your mouth. Ko tai tātu, ki tēnei wahanga kia nei ko.
Ai, tono.
Not the, I haven't even done it. It's a couple, I just realized.
Yeah.
Kōrero tupurangi for your day-to-day life.
Let's go.
We'll share it anyway.
Oh, sorry, yes. You're trying to figure out what your partner or mate or someone else has been looking at on their computer and they have said, I've been doing nothing on there, and you want to open up a page that they've said they've got rid of.
Mm-hmm.
If you hold down Control Shift, it reopens the accidentally closed tab.
Oh. Oh.
Control Shift capital T. Control Shift T.
Right.
It'll open up the page that was gone.
Right.
That was previously.
So you're like storing this for when you get in a relationship and you're like,
right.
boom!
You've been looking at roses to buy me.
Yeah.
I don't like roses.
At least eat chocolate. Nah, even then, they get roses. Favourites, at least.
Well.
Kia ora. Taku fact mō te rangai, nei, rangai. This day, back in 1990, Rod Stewart married Rachel Hunter.
Yeah, 1990.
Yeah, in Beverly Hills.
Wow.
He was quoted saying, I found the good one. I won't be putting my banana in anybody's fruit bowl from now on.
Oh, damn.
Wowza.
And actually,
they
he ended up doing
in 99.
Yeah.
Wow.
Banana were in 6 fruit bowls.
It was a truffle fruit punch.
That's amazing. Wow, 1990 she got married to him. Wow.
Yola.
She became massive.
Paki whoosh.
So, if eaten in one meal, 30 to 90 grams of a polar bear's liver is enough to kill a human being.
Say that again.
Wowza, if you eat the liver of a
if you were
polar
to
bear.
eat 30 to 90 grams of a polar bear's liver in one meal, like all at once, 30 to 90 grams,
you dying.
It's enough to kill a human.
Why?
I don't know.
Poison.
That's all
Wow,
it says.
that
But it must
sounds-
be just because of all the toxins that the liver has to get rid of for a polar bear. That
Yeah.
if you were to eat
I
it,
suppose if you eat anybody's liver, like all their toxins, especially an unhealthy person, you die.
That's right. Yeah, how come your liver tastes like Cody's?
90 grams isn't much.
Nah, that's not much.
Wow.
30 to 90 grams in one sitting, just like, that's like a bite.
Yeah, that's like that.
You must be just
Kill a
eating
human.
petrol.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Did you know the world's most hardest question to answer is? What do you think it is?
Hardest question to answer.
What is the meaning of life?
Oh, okay.
That'd be quite hard to answer.
Yes.
Well, the hardest question to answer. Do you want-
How high is the sky?
I think that'd be hard too, but this is the answer. Describe yourself.
Oh, it is. I second that. You'd be good.
Oh.
No, like, because you like,
love yourself.
you're really good at off the cuff.
Yeah.
Okay, because I reckon you
Off the
get
cuff
asked
tanga.
that question off the cuff.
Yeah.
And that's why it's hard. But you're like, you're
well,
not prepared.
Not prepared. No, because I always go, if someone asks you like a question like that, I can't talk about myself, but you would talk about work that you're capable of, or like things that you're capable of achieving.
You already know.
As
I'm
opposed to like, I'm really punctual. I'm really good person.
Well, that's the question. The hardest
Yeah.
question to answer in the world is describe yourself.
Describe yourself, Luke.
Yeah, no, I don't want to do it on the air.
Tall.
I'm tall. I got a hat on.
I'm a good cat.
I'm feathery.
I'm feathery. I'm social. Like
Okay, describe yourself. We'll go around a round of awkward tanga. Are we still on the thing?
Yeah.
Damn. Sorry
Describe
about
yourself. Forgetful. No. Janet, you're very
Cat.
Yes,
Look,
it's
it's
the
fu-
hardest
you-
question to answer. Apparently,
Yeah, it's funny that you say you cuff, but
Yeah, because it's different.
the hardest question would be how patient is that.
You've got here.
Where does good point? Would be.
it's that.
Mine is in New Zealand history, December back in 1995.
Oh.
Was released.
What was
Really good played it.
Yeah. I don't really.
You don't use someone on school.
OMC.
My
That's what
last
it
one
was.
is and spend his life. Okay.
The amount and it's not really that saw the
Oh yeah.
there used to be a hotel there with a natural like
Cool.
buzz. Anyway, out of Kamo up by Springs. I did say Kamo. What are you up to?
Gosh. Oh,
We're getting hit with the Grammy.
Time for us to get on out here.
Yeah.
But go check it out. Where is it?
Kamo up at Springs. Just yeah, it's a busy naturally occurring because I read some of the comments. Some are saying it, and then some are like, no, don't
Drink it.
So I'm
Please
gonna
say
drink
don't
it.
drink it, but go check out.
Well, there was one comment that said, "No, you definitely could drink it." My dad used to use it for his gin and tonics.
Yeah, but probably the years ago.
True. No data whānau, that's us, mai
If you're
ia
having doubts
mātou,
about the
te
vaccine,
whānau o Nifa.
Aye. Kia re, mara.
E are e ma, oh, e ni are e mana. Kia kaha.
Kamaya.
Kia
That's why I got confused.
niva.
Oh man, this is
What a
tough, bro.
morning. You can drink it. My
it's
friends used to
okay,
collect
and
it.
you're not alone. Our Healthline
here
team
we
is
go.
here to
That's it,
listen
yeah,
and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga he pātai rānei au, haere ki www.ira.nhht, ira kau, ira NZ.
Ai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.